Hello there. So if you have a business that deals in fashion, items like clothes or shoes or textiles or fabrics or suits or menswear, unisex perfumes, and whatever it is, anything the fashion related industry, right? Now, and you want to understand how Sumundi Keepsales can help you to properly manage your business, your product, and then your sales, then please stay with me in this video. So over here, you can add, what we do is that you can add all your items in Sumundi Keepsales. We can help you count all your items, all your stock quantities. We can type it for you and then import everything at once into the system. Once we are done with that, you'll be able to see all the quantities at each point in time. So for example, these are all dummy items. We have dress over here. We see 464 remaining. We get to see the price of the item, the cost price, the selling price, how much margins you are making on the dress. Okay, over here we have an item like GTP type 1. So for all different type of fabrics that you may be selling, you can use that as well, and it applies to other products as well. So you have different type of shoes, different type of clothes. You can add everything, and Keepsales can help you track the quantities and the price of everything perfectly. Now what makes it even easy is that you can even upload products for all these items, product images for all these items as well. So then when you are going through your stock, it's easy to identify what product exactly you are dealing with. It really makes managing easy. Over here I can get to see that, oh, I have 81 of these pieces remaining. I have sold 19 since I last updated, and I have 52,650 CDs in stock. And then there's the margin that I make at each time that I make a sale of this item. And over here you can see the total number of unique items in your shop, the value of your shop, the total cost. So at each point in time, you're able to see that, oh, these items that I'm selling, this is my shop, this is the value of everything here. You're able to see whether the value of your shop is increasing or decreasing with this value over here. And all the items that you've added over here, you can actually make changes to them, right? So there's an editing section. So let's say I want to change the image for this particular item. I can do that. I can change the name. I can change the price, just in case prices are changed. I can also change the price and see what's going on, right? And Keepsales is always scanning all your items. So there's a part where you get to see which items are running out of stock. So things don't run out of stock before you see. Way before things run out of stock, you can get to see, so that you don't get caught off guard, right? So you don't even have to do anything. Once you upload your items, the system automatically gets to work and starts scanning these things each and every single minute. So as and when you sell, all the deductions is made automatically. So we are going to give an example. Let's say I have dress over here. Over here you can see I have 464 remaining. Now what happens is that anytime you record a sale, somebody buys from you and then you record the sale, Keepsales will automatically reduce the stock quantities available. And if it is even more than what is available, you cancel. So let's give an example. Let's say I'm going to buy the dress. Okay, I'm going to buy 2 of that. So obviously I have 464 available. Once I buy 2, I'm supposed to be left with 462, right? So I can record the sale. There's a lot of options over here. I'll choose selling with receipt, meaning I want to generate a receipt for the customer who actually purchased from me. Keepsales shows you the balance, generates the receipts for you. And then once your device is connected to a printer, your computer is connected to a printer, you can easily print out this receipt for the customer, and then it shows all the items the customer bought. If there's any VAT, you can also display that on it as well. So I come here and then I realize that now the quantity available is 462 now, right? So 2 has been deducted from the initial 464, and I get to see all the sales that I'm making. You can even get to see the sales that you are making month on month. So over here I can filter and say, okay, well, I want to see all the sales that I made for September 2020, right? And I fetch the account. So now Keepsales will take its time and then run a very quick search on your sales to make you see how much sales you made for that particular filter that you have chosen, right? So we have the total sales revenue for here, the gross profit, that's for September, the gross profit, the margin, the discounts given and all, and you can get to see the details, get to see which customer bought from you, how much margin you made on that particular sale. All your records are always intact. So nothing goes beyond your site. You get to see everything that is happening. So and all this data is stored in a very secure place. You can access it from any internet enabled device. If you are not at the shop during the day, and then maybe you are at home over the weekend or something, you can just log into the app or log into your laptop and then access all this data on the spot. And you can get all this in just a few seconds. So adopting Sumundi Keepsales for your fashion business is very, very effective. It will save you a lot of time that you spend to do a lot of manual work. It will save you a lot of energy, a lot of resources. You don't have to do so much book work, so much paperwork. It really makes things easy for you. And before you get started, we can help you with everything that you need, all your challenges. We can come help you with stock, like we said, like I mentioned earlier, and then get you started. Right, so this is how Sumundi Keepsales can help you in your business, and it's really important that you have a digitized system like that in the middle of your business to help you properly manage. Thank you very much.